Hi, my name is Tom Kyte. You probably know me from the asktom.oracle.com website, where anyone in the world can go to ask questions about the Oracle software and Oracle products, and I'll attempt to answer them. I've been doing that for about 11 years, have about 30,000 questions that I've taken there, and over the times I see a lot of the same or similar questions. Today I'm down in Madrid, Spain, delivering a seminar to Oracle customers about some of the new capabilities in the database, 11G specifically. And the question I get frequently is, what are some of the most important or relevant features of the new database, 11G? And I've picked three of them out, three of them that I think have a great impact. One of them is a feature, a capability called SQL Plan Management, SPM for short. This is a capability that allows the optimizer to be a little bit more cautious. When the optimizer comes up with a new plan, rather than using it immediately, it will put the plan to the side, use a plan that's already been verified, already been validated. Later on, after the plan's been stored away, not used yet, the database will pick up that plan in a maintenance window, run that plan, actually execute the query in the background, and evaluate the resources that query used. If the resources used by that new plan are significantly less than the resources used by the existing old plans, we'll actually migrate that plan into our baseline and begin using it at that point. What that means is, as you upgrade, you can have initially in the new release of the database all of the old query plans in place that you used to use in your old release 9i or 10G, so your performance should be exactly what it used to be in the old release. It won't be slower, and as new query plans are developed and proven to be better than the existing plans, we'll start using those. So over time your performance would stay the same and then slowly start to go up over time as we discover the new improved plans. So that's SQL Plan Management, a big change. Another one is real application testing. When we're going to introduce change, we'd like to know what will happen. And we'd like to know what would happen in private. We don't want to do that testing in front of our end users. Real application testing allows us to do that. It makes introducing that change pretty safe, because I'll know beforehand what will happen when I do this upgrade, because I'll already have done the upgrade and run a production workload against it in private without involving my end users. So I know what the outcome will be. And then the third one is a feature called edition-based redefinition. This allows an application to upgrade itself online. I can have two versions of my application in the database at the same time, two versions of the same PL SQL code. So this is a great breakthrough for those who want to apply patches or upgrade their application while minimizing downtime at the same time. Another question I get frequently is, why should I consider upgrading to 11G? You know, I'm on 9i, I'm on 10G. What's the motivation for getting there? And the motivation are some of the things I just talked about. The ability to have higher availability through the online application upgrade. The ability to introduce change into your database environment safely, real application testing. I know what's going to happen in production before it happens in production. There's a lot to be gained from that knowledge, you know, or just looking at SQL Plan Management. As I gather statistics at night, the query optimizer might change the query plans the next day. When a query plan changes, it might change for the better, it might change for the worse. I only want query plans to change for the better. SQL Plan Management allows me to assure myself that my plans will only change for the better. They won't get worse over time. So there's a lot of capabilities for change management and implementing change in 11G, and I think that's really the best reason to consider going to it. Thank you very much.